The goddess of love, beauty, and desire. I was born from the womb of disease. And let's just be honest, none of the gods deserved my love. And all of the gods wanted my love. So, take me from the market. Zeus married me to Hephaestus, who is a very lame and ugly god. And that's why I was forced to cheat on him. I had many affairs with different gods and even humans. But only two gods did I really love. They were Ares, the god of war, and Adonis, who was extremely handsome and loved to hunt war. And eventually was killed by one. And I was also the cause of the Trojan War. I represent the power of love that no one can escape. And I bestow my blessings on anyone who worships me. But if you despise love, I can be very ruthless and evil.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. 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 Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.